In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen in a Microsoft Teams meeting the right way. Whether you're hosting a business meeting, a virtual classroom, or just catching up with friends, knowing how to share your screen effectively is essential. Let's dive right in and get started. First, to begin sharing your screen in Microsoft Teams, you'll want to start by signing into your account. This might seem obvious, but it's worth mentioning since every action within Teams stems from being logged in. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection for smooth sailing through your meeting. Once you're signed in, you'll notice the video camera icon prominently displayed on your Teams interface. This icon is your gateway to starting a video call or meeting. Go ahead and click on that video icon, which will guide you into the meeting platform. You'll find it positioned at the top right corner. That click is essentially you telling Teams, "I'm ready to connect." Next up is starting your meeting. After clicking on the video icon, you should see an option to start a meeting. Select Start Meeting. This is the moment where you are paving the way for others to join and interact with you. As you enter the meeting space, do a quick mic and camera check to ensure everything is functioning as expected. You wouldn't want technical glitches when you're center stage. Now here comes the exciting part, sharing your screen. On the meeting control panel, look for the Share button. It's generally represented by an upward arrow bursting forth from a box, typifying the essence of revealing your screen to the world. Click on Share and get ready to unleash your content. It's kind of like opening a curtain on stage, revealing the backdrop of your performance. Once you've clicked Share, you will need to decide what exactly you want to share with your audience. Microsoft Teams provides you with options, screen, window, or tab. Choose wisely depending on what fits your presentation needs the best. Perhaps it's your entire screen for a comprehensive view, a specific window for focus, or a tab to keep it precise. Selecting screen gives everyone in the meeting a holistic view of your desktop. Finally, to complete the process, click on Entire Screen if that's your choice for sharing. Confirm your decision in any prompt that appears. This is the culmination of all prior steps. You're now ready to transmit your content, be it a presentation, document walkthrough, or a tutorial directly to your audience. This method allows seamless transition of information and keeps your narrative cohesive. And there you have it. Sharing your screen in Microsoft Teams is as straightforward as that. Remember to practice before any major presentations to ensure you're comfortable with the controls, making your meeting as effective as possible. Thanks for tuning in and happy sharing.